Well, I hope you guys are enjoying our living room refresh so far. Wanted to talk about something in this room that I'm particularly excited about, and it is those blinds that you see right there. So we use Chicology for all of the window treatments there, and I was super thrilled to be able to partner with them here today. So we obviously finally replaced the builder grade blinds in these small fireplace windows, and these bamboo shades give so much character to this room. But I want to tell you why I love Chicology. Okay, so first, a lot of different window treatments you'll see today are pretty outdated looking. Everything that Chicology offers is super modern between all the colors, the different finishes. For example, there was about 4 different bamboo options that I could choose from. So super modern looking, love the character that they add to the space. But second, hanging window treatments. It can kind of be a guessing game when it comes to centering your piece. Is it going to fit right, frankly? What's really cool about Chicology is it kind of takes the guesswork out of that. You pretty much have the capability, and I'll show you in a minute, to mount your curtain, your blind, and then determine to center it after that. So you don't have to worry about filling nail holes and like making a bunch of holes like sometimes you might need to. So I'll show you what I mean, but our windows are really old and really small, and Chicology shades work like a charm.